Hello guys, in this video we are going to add the characters of our player. So let's get started. I'm going to leave the link to download the sprites of the accessories that we are going to use. Before to start, we have to remember how to add these sprites and how to split them. I'm going to add an asset, then in the inspector, change the sprite mode in multiple. We have to apply the changes and open the sprite editor. In the slice menu, click on slice and apply the changes. Close the sprite editor and we have all the sprites. But I have done this before. I create two folders to separate the sprites, armor and weapons. And I imported all the sprites that we will use in this video. Now we will create a hierarchy that it will represent our characters. One will be a knight and other will be a wizard. And inside of this we will separate in sections for the knight, armor, health and sword. I have renamed some sprites of the armored asset. First, I'm going to put armored idol. By health, the first of the list, and also the sword. Next, we have to adjust the position, the size and the order layer. And we have to flip the sword in X. That's it. We have our knight almost ready to fight. Now the wizard. But not to confuse the sprites, we will let the correct name: robe, hat and book. First, disable the knight. Next, assign the first of the list for each accessory and make the adjustments. Now we have our two characters, almost ready to be animating. In the next video, we will work with the sword sprite, making the attack movement and the slash animation and adjust the run animation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.